Here's how we can turn this into this using 4 different Photoshop tools. Let's start with the C here. Hit Q to enter quick mask mode and select the areas using the brush tool. Hit Q again to exit the quick mask mode. Go to select and click on inverse. Now go to edit and select content aware fill. Hit OK. Hit Ctrl D to deselect. Now do the same thing for the beach. Go to edit and click on fill. Make sure content aware is selected and hit OK. Select the spot healing brush tool and paint over the areas you want to remove. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the areas and fill using content aware fill. You can use the spot healing brush tool to clean any edges. Use the spot healing brush tool on the pear as well. Click on the clone stamp tool, hold Alt to define the area and then paint over to recreate the bench. We'll clean this bench using the spot healing brush tool first and then recreate it using the bench up above. And that's it. This is the before and this is the after.